Okay, cool. So, update. Car's wrecked. Yeah, it was a small fender bender, but it didn't have a crash bar, so it fucked my car. So let's go take a look at it. We spent a couple days stripping it down. So yeah, gonna get some ideas on how to make a new front end. Thinking maybe some 8.6 fenders, try to straighten the hood deck out. Yeah, a lot of work. Got a month to do it. Okay, so now we got this thing up. I'm gonna get the old differential. You want to take a peek underneath there? It's the big fucking purple thing.
We rolling. Oh, okay, right here.
Pretty much set the ride height and the stiffness of it. Right now I'm at maximum. Well, I can probably go a little bit lower, but like literally just as low as those fucking things will let me go. But yeah, I can't get out of my driveway. If you like look back there too, there's a big ass exhaust that was nicely done at one point, and now I've scraped the fuck out of it at some point.
Oh fuck.
So yeah.
Alright.
That's for another video.
That's for another video.
Let's do this money shot here.
Nice.
Probably all the weld. Just kidding. So this is why they tell you not to weld your differential. All this good stuff can break your shit, but I really don't care. And I like to drift, so we did that.
So what's going on?
So right now I'm pulling chunks of my great welding job out of the differential here, and got some good chunks in there. This is the stuff they tell you not to do, but we do it anyways.
Nice.
Well, let's see if these things are still locked. No, they're not. So, next thing we might have to do too is re-weld this differential again. This is the stuff they tell you not to do. So, yeah. Alright. That's gonna be another fun one. Maybe we'll get someone that knows how to do that over here, so I won't have to do what I'm doing right now.
There she is.
Starts up like a dream still.
Whiny. So this is what we did today. So now we got it. It's looped.
Man, now I understand, like, it is fucking hard to try and film and work. So,
Fast forward in time.
yeah, fast forwarded quite a bit of whiles after pulling the car and getting it straightened. We're on to getting this hood fixed. So at the moment, we took this centerpiece out, gotta flip it around.
Oh. That's a man. Money. Okay.
This part should be good. It's great. I like that. Looks so good. If I ever wanted to rock this bitch with a open hood, if I had a bigger motor or anything, we can definitely probably still run these things. Pretty much just gives you that whole. I guess it's just put the
cherry.
hood already. We don't need to
That's
cut it.
for sure.
But next thing though is we're trying to straighten this, these pieces, and yeah. As you can see, corners got pinched in. There's like a lot of gray spots here. Right in here. So, definitely gonna just try and work my best on knocking some of this back the other way. Hopefully it'll work. See how it goes.